isolated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 3 inches. Life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 298. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.